Purpose of this video is to show customers how to collect data on multiple assessments. After you log in to the IHT system, click on Assessments. Click on the green tab that says New Assessments. The next screen will say Assessment Properties. Click on FG. Now you're going to click on all the measures that you want to get information on. So I clicked on height, weight. Some of you may already have height, weight in. You do not need to put height, weight in twice during a semester. Please only do that once per semester or per time that you are making reports. Use all the other assessments. So I'm going to go 20-meter shuttle. Left sit and reach, right sit and reach, left shoulder stretch, right shoulder stretch, push-ups, curl-ups. Then I'm going to go over where it says for which groups. A quick reminder again, please only click on one group at a time. Otherwise you're going to lose your group list. Once again, one group at a time. Double check. Measures to be assessed, groups to be assessed. Create assessment. After this loads in, there are 3 dots up on the right hand corner. If you want to make your page smaller so that you can see all the results, you can always zoom in or out. Also, as you collect the data, so for today, let's say that I'm going to come in and I'm going to click on the hyperlink that says fitness gram muscular strength, and this is going to be the curl-ups. I would input the data, and if that's all I was able to get done, I click on assessments. That will take me back to the assessment page. Then I could click into another class period. Or if it's a new day, I come back to that class period and I click on the assessment that's already made. This will assure that all the information is going into the same area, and that will help me know which students I have got the assessment completed on and which students I need to continue to work and maintain good records. So now if I go back, click the back, it's going to show me that Brilliant was absent and there was no data gathered on that day. Another quick reminder, if I have a student that is absent, so let's say Amazing is absent, and I'm going to do a timing test, that's important to keep them absent so that when I click on this assessment, I'm not putting data in a student that's gone for the day. And once again, if I decided that, whoops, I need to restart this, I go over to the padlock, restart all, okay, and now I can restart that timer. So as you continue to work and learn the program, more thing to add to this video, if you need to edit your assessments, you can come into the edit and you can eliminate, or you can come back up and go into fitness gram, and let's say I wanted to add the mile run. So if I click on the X, it will put the measure back up on top, so it's not a part of that group. Or if I need to add assessments later on, I can always come in and edit and add assessments back in. If I decided I already had height and weight and it's in the system and I don't want the BMI to be calculated twice, I'm going to come in and I'm going to X out of height and weight. And now I save assessment. I go back. You'll notice that those assessments now are no longer with my students. Another thing, if on this timer, if there's only one student that I need to collect data on, I can gray out all of my other students, click on the hyperlink, and now it's just the student that was absent, or students, or groups, and now I start the timer, and I'm only collecting data on the student that is on the sheet in which the timer is shown.